Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I'm gonna continue my series of videos today on our 1983 911 SC cab. Gonna do a cold start this morning, and then I'm gonna take the car outside and do some exterior videos and pictures and walkarounds. But before I do, I will start it. We've got low 40s today in the shop. It's a fuel injected car, obviously, so you don't touch the gas. Little high idle is appropriate. Dead steady. Nice pressure. Car doesn't smoke, it doesn't leak anything, it doesn't give us any worries at all. It's just excellent mechanically, and I'm going to take it out and drive it a little bit and give you my final impressions. Thanks, guys.